Did you know that you can quickly and easily change the language on both the Haas website and the Haas control? Let me show you how to do it. We'll start with the website. Now the language here will generally default to English, depending on your browser settings. But what if you prefer to change it to a different language? No problem. Right now I have the website set to English, but if I spoke Spanish, for example, all I need to do is click here at the top right, come down to here and click on Español, and just like that, the entire website is now in Spanish. And I mean the entire website, not just the home page. So as you can see, if I want to build and price a VF2, all the machine and option information is now in Spanish. The Haas control has the same functionality, but with even more languages available. Press the settings button, type 82, and then press the F1 key to quickly reach setting 82. Then arrow right for a list of all the available languages. Select the one you want, press enter, and a few seconds later, everything will be displayed in that new language. And that's it. Thanks for watching.